In this video, sorry about that. I didn't see the camera was on. So in this video, we'll be continuing with the C# video tutorials. Excuse me. So we'll be continuing with the C# video tutorials. So we have, so this is the csharp.net tutorials. So we'll be continuing with enumerators, or so getting an enum or enumerators variables integer value. So we started talking about enums in the last few videos, or maybe the last one or two. So we did the lab, the color lab. We did some notes. This is maybe the second notes. We did the color lab. So if you're interested in those, you can see the C# playlist. So now we'll just be doing some more notes. So you cannot assign an enumerator directly to an int variable. So I think we tried that before. So just to show you guys how to do it, you have to cast it to, I think, an int to actually get the value. Because remember, an enum actually has an integer value. So it has it's pretty much like an index. So we have, what is there missing a bracket? Is this missing a bracket here? I think it is. There we go. Something's wrong with that now. That's strange. Okay, let me just take this out. Oh, here we go. This is it here. What did I do? Okay, so let's we'll probably just go with a new one here. So we'll go. We'll do the days of the week again. So we'll go enum days, or just days. And we'll go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, sorry, I messed this up. It's supposed to start with Sunday first would be index 0, Monday would be index 1, Tuesday would be index 2, so 0, 1, 2, Wednesday. Lost the focus. Oh, there's a lag. Okay, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So index 0, 1, 2, 3, why is these middle ones? Oh, sorry, I got Sunday twice. Okay, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So this is the enum days. So Sunday would have it. So remember, if you remember me talking about this, so we have Sunday as index. Well, it's not really an index, but you can think of it like an index. So an index 1. We have Sunday, but Sunday also points to its index value. So Sunday points to 0, Monday points to 1, Tuesday points to 2, all the way up to 6, which Saturday points to 6. Okay, so now we can go with int val here. Then in the constructor down here we can say val points to day dot. Did I say days or day? I said days. Okay, let's go with days dot. Well, let's change it to day. Okay, whatever, days. Val points at days dot Monday. Actually, sorry, so we'll cast this first. So we'll cast it. Val points to int, cast it to days dot Monday. Without a capital, I think. There we go. You can see that it's italicized and it's purple. So I think in Rider, enums are italicized. Like they're, you don't know what that means. That means like they're kind of slanting to the right. If you can see, it's, if you look at these letters, click, they're upright. But if you look at Monday, they're kind of slanted diagonally to the right. That means italicized. If you don't know what that means. Okay. Because I know sometimes we get viewers from like Africa and somewhere in Asia and stuff like that, so thanks if you're watching from there. So now we have, so this statement declares an int variable named value, or val, up here, so it's a declaration, and initializes it with the integer value of day.Monday. So after this statement occurs, val will equal 5. Okay, so now let's try to actually get that value. So let's go with a message. But okay, I don't want all this stuff to run. Alright, let me just, sorry about this, let me just make a new solution here. It's going to run the other app because of the designer. So we'll do that all again here in a sec. So waiting for that to load here. I'm running out of space because I have like 300 videos to upload. I upload a bunch of them every day. But then when I make videos again, it just gets to the max number again. This window here. So to do that, you just go File, New Solution. Just choose your namespace name. Click this window, and Rider should pop up with your solution, with your project. You can also use Visual Studio, but if you have a student email, you can use Rider for free. You can use any of JetBrains' products for free. The ones that don't have a community edition. So only Python and Java have community editions. The rest of them don't. Okay, so let's go with that enum here again. So go with enum days. We'll open a block, then we'll add the days here again. Actually, we'll start with Sunday. What's wrong with this? Oh, I forgot the comma. Okay, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, so now we have all the enum values. Then we'll declare our int here again, so we'll go int val, declared, we'll just declare it. And in the constructor here, we'll say val points to days.Monday. So we could also do that. So let's try this first. What's wrong with that, by the way? We're getting a comma there. Val points to day.days. Okay, now what's happening? Enum days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, close the block. Private int val points to days dot. Oh, sorry, we're gonna cast this to an int. That's why. Cast this to an int. Then we'll go cast it into days dot. Let's go with Sunday first. Okay, so now we'll just go with a message box dot show. Message box dot show. I will pass in val. Nope. Okay. Val dot toString. Let's try that. There we go. Let's try that and see what we get here. sorry, the first load of the project's always going to be a bit lagged. There we go, we got 0. Okay, so that's good. We got 0, so now we're accessing the enum's index values. So we can do that. We can do this too. We can go private. Go with private day, workday. Actually, sorry, private days, workday, declared. Then we'll go on the constructor. We'll comment this one out. Actually, yeah, we'll just comment them out. Comment this out too. So private days, workday, and then we'll go with underneath that. We'll have actually we'll go up here with we'll use the val again. Excuse me. So here we'll say val points to cast it into workday. What's that going to do? So we have our val declared here as an int. Then we have a workday declared as days. So here then we have there's something that we missed here. So before this line, let's just start again here. Sorry for confusing anyone, so we'll go back up here. So we have day workday already declared, or days workday already declared, and then we'll have here workday points to days dot Monday. So we have workday points to days dot Monday. Then we have, for example, we'll have val points to cast it into workday. So here we have two declarations, our days up to our workday variable of type days, and then we have an int val. So we took workday and pointed it to days.monday. So if we would have went, I think if we would have went here val points to days.monday, we would have probably got an error. Commented that out. Because they're not the same type. It's like, it's like, hey, wait a minute, I can't take val because it's an int and point it to, because val is an int, I can't take it and point it to days.monday, because it's like, well, you created your own type here, so that doesn't match. So let's take that out. So instead of that, we have to take val and then cast it to an int to get that index number. Now if we go messagebox.show, passing in val.toString, excuse me, so then we should get the value 0 again. Actually, sorry, we should get 1 in this case, because Monday is 1. 0 and then 1. Okay, so we got the value 1. So the first statement declares a days variable named workday, then initializes it with days.monday. The second statement declares an int variable named val and initializes it with the integer value of the workday variable. After this statement occurs, value will equal, or val points to 1. Okay, now so the next part is specifying integer values for enumerators. So by default, the enumerators in an enumerated data type are assigned the integer value 0, 1, 2, and so on, basically depending on the index position, or the index. And so if this is not what you want, you can specify the values to be assigned. So we can do that here as well. So you can give numbered values basically to your enum. So you can take this enum out, take this. We'll take all this stuff out actually, or else we're gonna get errors here. So we go with enum maybe fruits. Then we'll open a block. So we'll go with enum. Actually, sorry, we already did that. So we have fruits. We'll go with maybe cherries. Points to. We'll go with points to. I don't know. We have 10 cherries. Comma. Then we'll go with like plums. We have. I don't know. We have like 9 plums. We'll go. Okay, so we have those. Let's just pretend we have 2. We'll close our. We'll close them. You can do them in an initialization list, or you can open a block like this. I just open a block. So in this example, the fruits enumerator is assigned the integer value. Sorry, not fruits. So the fruits. So in this example, the fruits dot cherries enumerator is assigned the value 10, and the fruits dot plums is assigned the value 9. Okay, so the integer values that you assign to enumerators do not have to be unique. For example, the following code shows an enumerated type named month days. Its enumerators are January, February, March, and so forth. Notice that the values assigned to the enumerators are the days of the months. For example, January has 31 days, February has 28 days sometimes, etc. This data type might appear in an app that uses the days of each month. Okay, so I think we've done this already. Well, let's do it again. So we'll go with enum, we'll take this out, we'll change it. We'll change it to enum month days. Then here we'll go, actually we'll just go with month days, like that. I think in Java they don't capitalize the first part of the enum. It's up to you. So we'll go January, points to 30. We just make up some random numbers. February, points to 29. March points to 30. 31 or something. So here we could go with April points to, we just pick some random numbers. April points to 25. We got comma May points to, I don't know, 20. Then we'll go with June points to 28. Then we'll go with July points to 2. August points to 5. Actually, we could just make these all on the same line. Let's try that. So we'll just try to make all these on the same line. So January, so we have all these numbers here. We could continue or we could just end it. What's wrong here? Okay. Let me check the problems here. On 19, I'm missing something. 19. Why 19? It's telling me I'm missing a comma or some kind of bracket somewhere. It's not telling me the exact day. Okay, so enum month is January 31. Probably missing a comma somewhere. Nope. That's strange. Namespace is closed, class is closed, form is closed. Is there like a random comma lying around somewhere? Oh, sorry. I think that's it right here. It was missing its equal sign. Okay. So that's how you assign them. Then let's go with a message box.show. We'll go with month, days, dot January, dot toString with a semicolon. There we go. Super Pro method chaining. You have a 3 method chain there. Well, pretty much as the first part is an enum call, then a chain to that. That can be a little confusing sometimes. You've seen my data structure videos where I have chains that just go on forever. The JavaFX has a lot of chaining too that could be very complicated. Okay, so we printed the value January. So we actually have to get the int val, we have to cast it again to an int. Okay, so then what else do we have here? I think we have quite a bit of stuff left, so we'll probably just end it for this part of the enums tutorial. So in the next video we'll be comparing enumerators and enum variables. So thanks for watching, guys. If you guys liked the video, you can like and subscribe to support the channel for more programming and investing tutorials. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Take care.